Hello everyone, Mel here, and welcome to day one yoga stretch. So today we're going to focus on your hips and legs. So let's start right in child's pose. And we're going to lengthen the lower back and we so need that. So what I like is just opening my knees wide. That way I find it easier to breathe. Bring the feet closer to each other. And then you're just going to come down, rest your forehead on the mat. You're welcome to keep your arms right here or sliding them behind you. And let's stay here for a few breaths here. Keep breathing deeply. Let's stay here for 2 more deep breaths through your nose. Good. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale to release. We're going to do the cat and cow. So spread your fingers in starfish, hands underneath your shoulders, and then open your knees, hip bones apart, and you're going to look between your knees to hide your ankles. And let's inhale slowly in a cow, looking slightly up, belly button towards your floor. And then I'm going to round your back, chin to chest. And again, inhale slowly. Exhale completely. And let's do one more. Good. When you're done, just come back to neutral. I'm going to lift the chest. You're going to bring your right leg right here. And I want you to press. So press the hips down right on the floor. So we're going to open your hips, like I said. So hip flexors, shoulders are down. And I want you to feel tall from your hip all the way to the tip of your head. So if you have blocks home, use blocks. You can put them at the highest level. And I'm just going to use my fingertips here. Trust me, I have many blocks, but I prefer not using them. It's a choice. Good. Breathe. You can close your eyes. That's it. So feel the pressure of your stomach on your thigh when you breathe. Beautiful. Good. And we're going to walk that right leg in the right corner of your mat, and we're going to be right off the edge of your mat and the edge of your foot. And then we're going to press the hips again. So you're going to feel the stretch maybe in your inner thigh, which is good. And shoulders are down and back. You can do fist as well if it's too hard for your wrist. Just go back to your breath. Beautiful. That's it. And I'm going to give you options. If you want to open more your hip, you can use your right hand and press inside of your thigh to open more. Another way of doing it, if you are flexible enough to come down right here on your mat, on your forearms, you can put a cushion as well. right down on the mat to help you. Breathe. Good. And slowly release. We're going to go in pigeon. So let's bring your right knee behind your right wrist. And I want you to walk the left leg as far as you can behind you. Foot is going to be flat. So you try to sit your pelvis very close to your heel. You can put again support underneath your right hip if it's too tight. And you're welcome again to come right here down on the mat. So just breathe through your nose. And if you want to come all the way down, go for it. And just rest your forehead down right here on the back of your hands, keeping the hips square. Again, breathe deeply. So I have a tendency to hold this one longer because we're so tight in our hips. And then slowly lift the chest. I want you to bend the knee behind. You can use a strap as well if your arms are too short. And just grab your ankle and try to draw your heel closer to your glutes. So open the shoulders at the same time. It's a nice chest opener, shoulders opener. If it's too hard, you can go fall on your side or you can go straight to the side to grab your ankle. Are you still breathing? Got 2 more breaths here. And slowly release. Let's switch your legs. We're going to bring your left leg in front, right here, and just press the hips down on the floor. So shoulders are down and back, and again, feel nice and tall. So you can spread your toes for a bigger base of support. Nice. I feel it, trust me. We need that stretch. We're so tight in the hip flexors. Good. And let's walk your foot again on the left side of the mat. We're going to be right on the side of your foot or the edge of your foot. And let's open the knee out. So again, retract or bring your shoulders down and back. You can do fist as well if it's too hard for your wrist. And just do the option you want. So you can press with your left hand on your thigh to open your knee out, or you can stay where we were. Good. And you can also come down, use a cushion. It's not for everybody to come here, so respect yourself. Good. And slowly release. Let's go in pigeon. So you're going to bring your knee behind your left wrist. We're going to walk the right leg as far as you can. So try to sit the pelvis closer to your heel and then slowly again come down on the mat. And just notice between both legs. Usually there's one tighter than the other one. And again, just breathe. And when you're ready, anytime you can come down on the back of your hands. And you're still breathing. Again, feel the pressure of your stomach right on your leg. Good. And we're going to slowly lift the chest and grab your ankle. Again, you can fall on your side here. Just breathe through your nose. Our goal eventually is to bring the heel right on the glutes. Feel the stretch in your quads. Good. And slowly release. Let's go back to your hands and knees. We're going to do something else. We're going to stretch your calves, and I really love this one. So if you extend your right leg, we're going to inhale. Exhale, I want you to press your heel against the wall behind you or towards the back of the mat. And I'm going to come again, inhale. Exhale to press back. And you just need to keep going with your breath. On the next one, we're going to see here. So press the heel back. So engage your shoulders and just go back to your breath. You feel that stretch right in the calf. And we're going to release. Let's switch your legs. Same thing. So let's play again with it. So with the breath, we're going to inhale forward, exhale, press the heel back. And on the next one, we're going to stay back right here. Just breathe. Good. And slowly release. Let's go back. We're going to finish up in child's pose. Let's sit again back. You choose again to keep your arms in front of the mat or towards the back. Stay connected with your breath. And slowly lift the chest, and you can go back seated on your mat. Voila, you have just completed day one with the hip opener and leg stretch. So I hope you enjoyed and see you in day two.